Learn to forgive. What a wonderful piece of advice. It feels so good to hear. But is it easy to practice that too? It was not easy for me when I heard this. How can I forgive when somebody has hurt me? How can I forgive? If I forgive, won't he repeat the mistake again? How to forgive? It is like breaking my mirror of trust. I trust a person, and if he has broken that mirror, can the mirror be put back? Very difficult. It's not possible. I used to view from that angle. But there is a different angle towards this too. Mirrors can't be put back, but the heart can be healed. When we know the importance of learning to forgive. See, once this same question of forgiveness was asked to my Guru, Baba Shivananji. He narrated a story. The story was that a snake was about to gobble a rat. A saint was sitting nearby and he shouted to the snake, "Stop!" And when the snake listened that, he stopped midway. He did not eat the rat. Just about to gobble the rat, but he paused. He suddenly remembered his previous life. He was a rich landlord who had given a lot of money to his friend because he needed help. And the friend did not repay back. He was so much of anger towards his friend. How can he betray me? It was there for his entire life. He lost his fortune because of that anger. And even when he was about to pass away, he died with a lot of anger towards his friend. How could he do that? He was so much seething with anger. And what happened? Next life, he became a snake. And that friend became a rat. And the snake gobbled the rat. He fulfilled his revenge. Yes, I did it. But what happened? The rat, when it was about to pass away, it passed away with a lot of pain. It wished that he could be a snake. And what happened? The rat became a snake, and this snake became a rat. And this cycle went on for many lifetimes. And the saint could see all this. And when he said stop to the snake, what happened? The snake remembered his previous lives. And he avoided eating the rat. He forgave the rat. He forgave his friend. Yes, no matter what happened, I forgive you wholeheartedly. I forgive you for myself. I forgive you for my own sake. No matter what you did, I forgive you. So, my Guru only asked this question. You actually forgive the other person for your own self. He asked the question, is the pain really necessary? Can the pain be avoided? Is another birth really required to vent out the anger? Can't you easily forgive the other person in this life itself? Why go through that pain? You may have hurted that other person in your previous life, and that person is hurting you in this life. Why to continue the cycle? Why not forgive that person? It's good food for thought. Doing my best to live life on that principle. My spiritual mentor, Lola Jones, she had also said one thing. See, there is no point of God forgiving because God has never judged you in the first place. When does the question of forgiveness come? Only when you judge the other person as wrong. Instead of judging, when you can be really compassionate, seeing yours, that other person or in the entire world with God's eyes, with the eyes of compassion and love, if you can rise up to that level, the world will look different. It is possible. We just have to choose to look with God's eyes. And when we are looking with God's eyes, automatically life becomes different. But one thing is that instead of judging, we can choose to be discerning. What is discerning? We can choose to associate with that person only if really required. We can be aware that that person is of that particular nature. We can choose to be careful, take care of the necessary precautions. For example, say if you are helping a scorpion, would you go and directly help a scorpion? You would take care of the necessary protective measures so that you can avoid the sting of the scorpion, isn't it? That is the matter of discernment. You can choose to be associated only if you feel it right and take care of the necessary protective measures. So it's a great idea, great thought to learn to forgive. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment. Cheers.